Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day today. My name's Molly. If you're new here, I do weekly meal prepping for breakfast and lunch. I also do snacks as well, and I did a poll the other day to celebrate my 1-year YouTube anniversary, and I polled to see what kind of videos you guys enjoy watching. So a lot of you voted for my lunch meal prep videos. So I'm gonna show you what I'm having for lunch this week. This is what I'm meal prepping. So I have chicken. I'm gonna make keto chicken strips. So I have these pork rind crumbs. They're really great. I got this big bag on Amazon. I will link it in the description. Really convenient to have, and I wanted to show you actually. So this is a regular bag of pork rinds. If you want to just buy these at the store, you can blend them up in a food processor and make those crumbs. I like to buy it in the bag. To me, the consistency is a little bit better. So I'm gonna make these chicken strips with the pork rind crumbs. I'm gonna add in some garlic powder and a little bit of paprika, and I will fry these up on the stove. And then I'm gonna do a side of asparagus, and I'm gonna cook that in the oven. I have my oven preheating right now to 400 degrees. So, and then I also have a side, I really like this Homestyle Ranch. It's by Lighthouse. I love their dressings, really low carb, so this is really good. So I'm gonna put a side of this with my chicken strips in my lunch containers. So I'll put the recipe for this in the description box, so check that out if you want to make these. They're really yummy. My kids like them as well, so it's good for the whole family. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and go check out the poll on my channel page and vote for what kind of videos you want to see more of. I'd appreciate that, and I'll make lots more videos to come. So I am going to get this lunch ready to go. So first I have my asparagus, and I have it on my baking mat on my cookie sheet. I just love this baking mat. I've been using it a ton lately. If you've seen my more recent videos, I just love this baking mat. Got it on Amazon. So I have my asparagus. I'm gonna drizzle it with olive oil. And then I'm also gonna add in, I have this just vegetable seasoning. It's just an all-purpose seasoning. So I'm gonna sprinkle that on as well. And then I'm going to toss the asparagus so that it gets coated in the seasonings and in the olive oil. So I'm going to put these in the oven. I have it preheating right now to 400 degrees, and I'm going to put these in for about 10 minutes. They don't take very long, and they're really easy to make and super yummy. I'm using 2 chicken breasts for this week's meal prep, so I'm going to cut these into small strips, and so I'm going to fly each chicken breast open and then cut it into smaller pieces so that they'll be ready to go portioned out for lunch for this week. So I have my almond flour, I have 2 eggs, and then I have my pork rind crumbs. So my almond flour, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of paprika, and then I'll just mix that around so that the seasonings get mixed in with the almond flour. So once that's all mixed in, I will first coat the chicken with the almond flour. I'll stick it in there. Then I'm going to move it to the egg plate and coat it with the egg. And then after that, I will stick it into the pork rind crumbs. These are really great, 0 carbs, so perfect for keto diet, low carb diet. So I will just stick these onto the chicken strip, and they stick really well onto the egg. So there it is. So I will do that with all of my chicken strip pieces, and then they'll be ready to be fried up on the stove. Okay, so I have my pan on the stove. I have it over medium heat. I'm going to add in my olive oil, and I'm gonna let this heat up for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to add in the coated chicken strips with the pork rind crumbs, and these are so good, and they're just gonna fry up on this pan. So after I get them all set in, I'm gonna cook these on each side for about 6 minutes or so, and we'll start to see as they cook, and then I will flip them over and cook them about another 6 minutes on the other side. So they're nice and crispy, just like a regular chicken strip. So I'm gonna flip them over and let them cook all the way through on the other side. All right, so my chicken strips are done and my asparagus is done. So I'm gonna portion it into my meal prep containers, the same containers that I use each week for my breakfast and lunch meal prepping. They're glass, really great quality. I will link these in the description box. I got them on Amazon. They're really great to have if you're gonna meal prep. So I'm gonna put everything into my containers and lunch is ready to go for the week. Super healthy keto chicken strips with the crumbs are pork rinds, so 0 carbs, really delicious, and side of asparagus. So I'm gonna put all of this in my containers, and I'm also gonna portion out some ranch dressing so that they're ready to go in the containers as well. All right, so I'm gonna portion a little cup of ranch dressing. I love these little to-go cups, little plastic with lids. I got these on Amazon also. So they're really great for dressings, sauces. And I'm just going to portion out some and put it into my meal prep container so it's ready to go for the whole week. All right, so my healthy lunch for the week is ready to go. I hope you like this recipe. I hope that you like all of my meal prep ideas that I have up on my channel. Check out the other videos if you haven't already. And subscribe to my channel if you're new here so that you can see all of the meal prep ideas that I come up with each week. So thanks for watching. I hope that you have a great day and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.